This budget in some senses is a very unique budget. It is focused on a wide set of different areas, and its primary focus has been on how to improve the ease of doing business and how to systemically improve the overall business environment, and not just the business environment but also try to improve the environment for the common man. So first of all, there's the talk about creating a social security net, which includes pensions, accident cover and health insurance, which I think are fairly unique. Those have been talked about in perhaps earlier, but this one has talked about specific numbers and how to actually get it done. I think that is a very strong positive. The second is the whole issue of taxes has been made very clear. We know what the corporate tax trajectory is going to be over the next 4 or 5 years. GAR has been postponed, and I think overall the finance minister has talked about creating a more business-friendly tax environment. The third thing is that there is also a strong focus on creating a much more smaller types of smaller businesses. So the finance minister has talked about the ability to open new businesses without having to follow a very formalized approval process. And there's also along with that the setting up of a fund to lend to a lot of these small sorts of businesses, especially in the rural areas, which over time will create a lot more business and job opportunities for rural and unemployed youth right now. So I think in those senses this budget has been quite different from a lot of the other budgets. I think it's very positive, and I think it creates the ground over the next 4 or 5 years for a much better environment in which Indian corporates can do business and Indian citizens in general can survive and thrive and hopefully get more jobs as well. Thank you.